the actual value of silver to me is a lot higher than $30 or $28. It's much higher. Silver is still well below gold in terms of its price, and certainly well below palladium and many other commodities over the past 10 or 20 years. Silver's been a real underperformer. And one of the reasons I think it really has been underperforming is that there's so much activity in the market. And if we look at COMEX at the moment, we've got well over 200 ounces of contract silver versus each ounce of deliverable silver. So people are playing in that market and probably holding silver down. But when we look at gold, we've got 185,000 tons out there. It's always out there. It's just growing. It doesn't really get consumed, and it's always available. So there's the market dynamics are a bit different. When we look at silver, we've probably got over 90% of demand for silver is for real uses, and consequently there's only a residual amount for investing. So we've got different dynamics, but the real issue, as you've spoken over the last 10 minutes or so, we've had a dramatic increase in the amount of money in the system. We can focus on the United States, but we know it's global, and we really should have and we should have had to date a much stronger move out of gold to reflect all that, because it really is debasement of the currency at the end of the day. So silver is cheaper than gold on a relative basis historically, whatever that means, and that does suggest to me we'll see silver outperforming gold for all those reasons. Now, another thing which is really important for I think everyone to understand is that silver has very specific properties as a metal. On the periodic table, it sits beside palladium and cadmium, and you've got indium and tin and antimony quite close. So in terms of the character of the element, they're all reasonably similar in size and mass and so on. However, their individual characteristics are really quite different. So silver is very good in applications for electricity conductivity, and we're looking at solar cells and the way that improves that. The demand Indeed. For it is growing for specific reasons. So there's enough reasons out there for silver to be worth a hell of a lot more than it is today, and the technicals are starting to suggest that it should be much higher than it is now.